Namaste. My name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this video, I am going to solve this equation and find x value. This question has tricky method. You can see here power just increase and multiple of 2. Okay. Here power 1 then multiply 2, 2, 2 times 2 4 and 4 times 2 8. Here actually 8 plus 4. So if we multiply 8 minus 4, so we can apply here difference of squares formula. Here multiply 8 minus 4 and divide also. 8 plus 4, 8 square plus 4 square, 8 to the power 4 plus 4 to the power 4, 8 to the power 8 plus 4 to the power 8. And here we are multiplying 8 minus 4, so here we have to divide also. Okay, plus 2 to the power 30 equal to the power x. Here this part 8 minus 4, 8 plus 4, we can apply here difference of squares formula. If a plus b, a minus b, so we can write a square minus b square. This one we can write 8 square minus 4 square. This 8 square minus 4 square according to this formula. Now this part we can write as it is. 8 minus 4 is 4 plus 2 to the power 30 equal 2 to the power x. Now here 8 square minus 4 square and 8 square plus 4 square, we can again apply this difference of squares formula. So this one is 8 to the power 8 square minus 4 square. Okay, this one we can write like this, and this part we can write as it is here, plus 2 to the power 30 equal 2 to the power x. We can simplify this. Here power to the power, so we apply a to the power m to the power n, power to the power multiply m multiply n. We apply here 8 square to the power 2, here 8 to the power 4 minus 4 to the power 4, 2 times 2 4. Okay, this one part we can write as it is, 4 plus 2 to the power 30 equal to the power x. Now again apply here difference of squares formula, because 8 to the power 4 minus 4 to the power 4 and here plus. So we can easily apply difference of squares formula. 8 to the power 4 square minus 4 to the power 4 square, and this part we can write as it is. Here 4 plus 2 to the power 30 equal to the power x. Here again we apply power to the power rule. So 8 to the power 4 times 2, 8 minus 4 to the power 8, and this part, this parenthesis we write as it is. Here 4 plus 2 to the power 30 equal to the power x. Now again we apply here difference of squares formula. 8 to the power 8 square minus 4 to the power 8 square divided by 4 plus 2 to the power 30 equal to the power x. Power to the power, here multiply 8 times 2 16 minus 8 times 2, 16 divided by 4 plus 2 to the power 30 equal 2 to the power x. Here 8, 4 and 4 we can convert into 2 to the power something. So 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, to the power 16. 4 we can write 2 square to the power 16, and this 4 we can write 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 30 equal 2 to the power x. Power to the power multiply. So 2 to the powers 16 times 3 48, 16 times 2 32, and 2 square plus 2 to the power 30 equal 2 to the power x. Very simple, just do step by step. 2 to the power 48 divided by 2 square minus 2 to the power 32 divided by 2 square. Here and here we apply quotient rule, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So power subtract. We can apply here this rule, quotient rule. So 2 to the power 48 minus 2 minus 2 to the power 32 minus 2. Okay. 2 to the power 48 minus 2 46. 32 minus 2 30 plus 2 to the power 30 equal 2 to the power x. And this is negative and this is positive, so cancel out. We can write 2 to the power 46 equal 2 to the power x. Here base are same, so power equal 46 equal x, or x is equal to 46. This is the answer. X is equal to 46. Okay. This is our answer. Very simple question, but it is tricky question. You have to think about it. This difference of squares formula. So you can just multiply here 8 minus 4 and divide. Okay, and follow these steps. Very simple question, but if you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.